Howdy y'all, back with another cold start. So for today I got a 1974 Honda Cb360. You can tell because it's written right there. Anyway, picked this one up out of Pensacola. Didn't have any exhaust, so I built some exhaust for it. Didn't have any carburetors, so bought some used carbs off eBay. New petcock, new fuel lines. Didn't have any air boxes, so I built a little matching pair of cute little air boxes there. Battery, touched up some wiring. The triple trees were broke right there, both sides. So I had those welded up. Made some cute little blinkers for it. Took the big nasty square taillight off it, put those on there with little blinkers underneath. Put some nice all-terrain knobbies on it here. So this one's good to go. The only thing I really need to do to this thing is the seat pan's rusted out. Just need to get a new one of those. So, alright, so turn that on. Turn our fuel on. Throw our choke up. And we'll see if she goes. Oh, almost. It's hard to do this with one hand. Couldn't tell if she liked the choke or not. Let's try choke one more time. You guys have noticed most of my bikes have the Vermont plates on them. So, like that one there, that one there, that one back in there. So, none of these had titles when I got them. I worked the Vermont loophole for them and got titles. But anyway, there she goes. There's the 74 CB360. All right. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all later.